Today is July 2nd, and we're visiting the Alaska Wildlife Conservation Center. Here is a map of the Conservation Center along with all of the layout of the different pens for the animals and locations of the big animals, and they're separated from the small animals, and the building structures that they have on site. We saw this black bear, and this bear was the first one we saw when we came in the Conservation Center, so they got a chance to get a picture of him close up. To make a new intro for the Journey to Alaska YouTube series featuring the four nomads. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
So we want you to continue following our journey. We'll see you later.
Bye.
All right.
So we saw the musk ox, and I have to say that is one of the weirdest looking animals that we've seen since we've been up here. But notice these two in the picture now. And one is scratching his backside on the wire fence, and the other is digging up dirt on the mound with his head. We just stood there and watched those things. They were so hilarious doing that. And then we saw him another time, and he was throwing dirt everywhere. So they're quite a creature to watch. The beige area on the map outlines the Kenai Mountains-Turnagain Arm National Heritage Area. And it recognizes the area from Resurrection Bay to Chugach Mountains along the Turnagain Arm. The point of confluence is a confluence of the Placer, 20 Mile, and Portage rivers. The point marks the convergence of three historic travelways: the route along the Turnagain Pass on the Seward Highway, the route through the Placer Valley by way of Alaska Railroad, and the historic route over Portage Pass between Prince William Sound and the Turnagain Arm. The topography of the mountains and the valleys create a natural transportation corridor. Over time, trails that began as native footpaths were developed into transportation routes, including the Iditarod Trail, the Alaska Railroad, and many modern highways of today. The Alaska Wildlife Conservation Center is located in a geographic area that connects Turnagain Arm and Prince William Sound. This small region between Portage and Tidewater Port of Whittier is all that keeps the Kenai Peninsula from being an island off the coast of Alaska. We came up on this black bear sleeping, and he is really tired and enjoying himself. Look at that yawn on that guy. Anyway, he didn't move from his spot the whole time we were there. Next, we saw this grizzly bear cleaning out its den. And this thing was busy as all get out. He's pulling dirt, or she's pulling dirt in and out, and throwing it out of her hole there, and raking it and smoothing it out outside. So she was doing some serious housekeeping. Then she went back into her hole, and we never saw her again. So she was not going into hibernation, but she was not coming back out to show us who she was. Back end of one and the side view of another one. I think it might be Mama and the cub.
That's what I was wondering. It's a pretty big cub, isn't it?
We saw fox in the center, and this placard just outlines the different species.
Oh, that's better.
We are in the Alaska Wildlife Conservation Center, and we've toured around. We've seen the bears, musk ox, wolves, porcupines,
everything.
all of the above.
Yeah.
Grizzly bear.
Grizzlies.
Right.
Digging a den. Black bears.
So next on the agenda today is a hike down. Which one are we doing? Byron Glacier.
Byron Glacier.
And then we'll give you an update when we get there. See you later.
Give them some scenery.
Check out the mountain. We finished our tour here at the Alaska Wildlife Conservation Center off to Byron Glacier. Thanks for watching.